You can't fix your life in one day, but you can change your direction in one day. And that changes everything, because the problem isn't your life. It's your habits, your patterns, your daily actions. And right now, they're working against you. You wake up tired. You scroll. You delay things.
You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. And slowly, your life starts to feel stuck, not because you're incapable, but because you're repeating the same day again and again. So here's the truth. You don't need a new life. You need a new day, because one intentional day can reset everything. Let me show you how. Step 1, cut the noise. For one day, remove distractions. No endless scrolling, no random content, no wasting time, because clarity begins when noise ends. Step 2, do what you've been avoiding. That one task, the one you keep delaying. Start it. Not perfectly, not
Completely. Just start, because action breaks resistance. And once you begin, momentum takes over. Step 3, control your inputs. What you watch, what you listen to, what you think about, because your mind becomes what you feed it. Junk, you feel stuck. Feed it purpose, you feel driven. And here's the most important part. Don't try to fix everything. That's where most people fail. They try to change their whole life in one day and quit by evening. Instead, focus on one day. Just one. Win today. That's it. Because when you win one day, you prove something to yourself. I can do this. And that belief changes everything. So no, you can't fix your entire life in one day, but you can break the pattern. You can take control. You can start. And sometimes that's all it takes.